In this video, we'll show you how to disconnect and then reconnect a plugged USB device in Windows without physically unplugging and plugging it back in. Imagine you're connected to a remote computer via remote desktop and need to simulate unplugging and plugging back in a USB device. Method 1. Using Device Manager. First, eject the USB device as usual. The USB device is now effectively unplugged. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Device Manager. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. Right-click on the USB controllers and select Uninstall. Don't worry, Windows will automatically reinstall them. To reconnect the USB device, click on the Scan for Hardware Changes icon. Windows will detect and reconnect the USB device automatically. Method 2. Uninstalling the USB drive directly. Click on Scan for Hardware Changes, and the device should reconnect automatically. Finally, you can use a small, free, and open-source tool designed to remotely simulate unplugging a USB device. This method provides a simple and efficient solution for managing USB devices remotely. By following these methods, you can easily simulate unplugging and replugging USB devices on a remote computer without needing physical access. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.